from see it.
This is the plan, my friend. Let's phone in and see what Hengdala you've written this morning.
Just because everybody does it, it doesn't make it the right thing to do.
What would you like to say to the nation this morning?
I just think political credit is going absolutely crazy. Can I say one last thing?